Find the Cartesian equation of the curve defined by the parametric equations x is equal to 4 cos theta minus 3 and y is equal to 2 plus 4 sine theta. So here we have a parameter of theta, and therefore we have to use, this time we will have to find a trig identity and rearrange the parametric equations so that we can substitute into the identity. So we've got that x is 4 cos theta minus 3. So making cos theta the subject, we're going to get x plus 3 is equal to 4 cos theta. Cos theta is x plus 3 over 4. And here we got y is equal to 2 plus 4 sine theta. So doing a similar sort of thing. So y minus 2 is equal to 4 sine theta. Therefore, sine theta will be y minus 2 over 4. Now, the trig identity connecting cos and sine is going to be cos squared plus sine squared is equal to 1. So you need to find a trig identity which will connect your two values together. So we've got x plus 3 over 4 squared. That's cos squared. And sine squared is y minus 2 over 4 squared. And that's equal to 1. So if you square the 4, you're going to get 16. So we've got x plus 3 all squared over 16 plus y minus 2 over 16 is equal to 1. We've got a common denominator, so we're going to multiply it and put it up here. So we're going to get x squared, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 16. And you get x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 4 squared. The reason why we haven't expanded this is that you might recognize this as being the equation of a circle with centre minus 3, 2, with radius 4. So equations of this type, x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared, is a circle centre a, b with radius r. Now we can see this if we look at this GeoGebra applet. So here we have our circle, which has a centre of minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, okay, and we know that the radius of the circle is 4, we can see that very clearly there. And we have our parametric equations here. So equations of this type, what x is equal to a plus r cos theta and y is equal to b r sine theta, which is what we had at the beginning. This was written at minus 3, but it was this type. Will give you that the x coordinate will be 3 of the centre and the y coordinate will be 2, so AB. Okay, R gives you the radius, okay, and we can see if we move the slider, what that does, it traces out, in this case theta is in degrees, it can also work in radians. We will trace out once around the circle. If we keep repeating, we'll keep going around the circle. If we do negative angles, we'll go around the circle that way. Okay, this GeoGebra applet I will put in the notes of the video. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.